I've just finished drawing this picture of a hand, and this is going to be up on our channel very soon if it isn't already, but it reminded me of something that is super important when it comes to using pencils. Hey, my name is Jess. I'm from the Gold Coast Art School, and today I want to tell you what pencils you need to avoid as a beginner artist. And I'm just going to cut to the chase. The pencils you must avoid using are H pencils and the 6B. Let me explain. H stands for hardness, and these pencils are incredibly tough and hard because they have more clay in them compared to graphite. And I'm using it quite hard on the page right now so that you can see it. But one of the things that students love them for is because they can get quite light. The problem is because it has more clay than graphite in the lead, this hardness can cause you to damage your paper. And you might do it inadvertently when you're drawing, just having a good old time, drawing some squiggles and things. But then, oops, you make a mistake, you try to rub that out and you have damaged your paper. And the thing is, for beginners, one of the things that you're starting to learn about is pressure. How much pressure do you use with your pencils on the page to get the result you want? And beginners often press very heavily on the page while they're still learning. You'll find it incredibly frustrating, and that might also start to make you think that I can't draw and I can't be an artist, when really you're still just learning about how much pressure to use with the pencil on the page. So we recommend that you take these H pencils and you just throw them away because they're no bloody good. Well, they're good for some things, but not when you're a beginner just starting to draw. Likewise, you might find yourself with some really fancy pencils with lots of different graphites in them, including a 6B or a 5B. Now, truth be told, this is actually really great and it can help you with lots of tonal work. But the problem is that students often pick these up again, absentmindedly, not even looking at it, and start drawing with them. The B stands for blackness. These leads are a lot darker. Because they're quite dark and you're just starting to learn about how much pressure to apply to your page, they can get you in a lot of trouble very quickly. Because the thing is, as a beginner, or even as an advanced artist, you're gonna make mistakes. So if you're there doing some happy little squiggles and things, while it might not physically damage your paper like an H pencil will, you can't actually fully erase these pencils when you've used them. So what pencil should you be using? Well, we recommend either an HB or a 2B pencil. They've got a really good combination of clay and graphite in there, which makes them soft enough to use. And also they're really easy to erase. So if you make a mistake, it's not such a big deal. Something I am curious about though is brands of pencils. Do you have a preference? Do you think that one brand is better than another when it comes to drawing pencils? Somebody's giving us a call. So I think that's time to wrap things up. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you all next time. Good afternoon, Gold Coast Art School. Jess speaking.